There you go, there you go, there you go. You got him, get him, get him. Get him. Easy, easy. Put the drag, bro. Set the drag.
We'll get him in there. Now he's hooked by his fucking whisker. Are you serious?
What did I tell you about my little spot?
I looked away from that motherfucker for 2 seconds.
What did I tell you about my little spot?
Hey, I told you we needed to head back over here. Huh? Now you're about to get on one. Watch. Well, we just had another nice little small guy who tear it up. Maybe, just maybe, we might be able to pull out a big one. We'll see here soon. We ain't doing nothing crazy. We're right off the ramp. Twin bridges. See if we can't crack another one real quick. All right.
I told you, bro. Oh, that's a nice one, bro. He's not like huge, but he's barely hooked. That put some energy in it, don't it?
Yes, sir. My man said he could get us on the fish on Facebook. Here we are. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put him in the water. Let's get him. Hold on.